Dr. Sufyan Ahmed, HOD of Pharmacognosy. Now today we are going to discuss Indian system of medicine. In this session, I will cover homeopathy system of medicine. So the basic introduction of Indian system of medicine, or you can say the traditional system of medicine, also known as the indigenous folk medicine, alternative medicine, comprises of medical aspect of knowledge, skill and practices based on the different culture and different people which are used to treat the diseases. It includes the various system being practiced throughout the world such as Ayurveda, Siddha, Unani, Homeopathy, Chinese system, etc. So, homeopathic system of medicine, homeo means similar and pathos means suffering. Hence, the homeopathy means similar suffering. It means the causes of disease itself can be used for its treatment or the substance providing the similar symptoms of disease in healthy individual can be used to treat that diseases. The homeopathy was introduced by the German physician Dr. Samuel Hahnemann. The basic principle of homeopathy is Similia Similibus and Curantur, mean let like be treated by lies. The basic principle of homeopathy is that individualization, principle of similia, principle of simplex, principle of minimum dose, law of providing, law of diamondization, vital force. The individualization, this concept maintained that no two individuals in the world are same, hence disease affecting the individual and this response to it cannot be similar and the individual response to the same disease would be different from the person to person, that thus the medicine used to cure the same disease in different individual are different. The principle of similia, the substance which are cause of disease or produce the similar symptom in the healthy individual can be used to cure the disease in patient. The principle of minimum dose, this rule states that the dose of drug is inversely proportional to its potency, means the lower the dose, more potent the drug is. The law of proving the testing of drug is done on the healthy volunteers. If the drug produces the similar symptom in the healthy person as that of diseased person, the drug is considered as suitable for treating that disease. Example, the Syncona, that is the anti-malarial drug, produce the symptom of malaria in healthy person, hence it can be used to treat the malaria. And next example is Epicac, anti-emetic, it is anti-emetic drug, produce the emesis in healthy person, hence it can be used to treat the vomiting. Diagnosis of homeopathy, the collection of detailed case history and medical history, investigation of symptom, location, sensation, etc. The build up a symptom picture of the patient. The treatment, in that the homeopathy system used to use drug in the form of mother tincture, small pills and powder. The preparation of doses involve the three process. They are trituration, succussion and serial dilution. The potentiation is the physical process denoted by the C. The three scale are used. They are decimal, centesimal and millesimal. The sources of homeopathy medicine is that the plant, the various plant, fungi, etc., and the animal source, in that the secretion, saliva, etc., and next is minerals and chemical source, the toxic metal, inorganic salt, etc., the serum, protoplasm of animal hormone, etc., the vaccine, that is the bacterial and viral products, etc. The disadvantage of homeopathy, the selection of the correct drug is difficult and it takes the long period of time to cure the chronic cases. This is my more video. So please subscribe my channel and like and share and press the bell like button. Never you miss your update. Thank you for watching my video.